From the pioneer in gas flow control, Brooks Instrument SLA Series mass flow controllers with EtherNet IP or PROFINET feature an embedded web-based interface to easily set up and configure device attributes and view diagnostic data to enhance process control. 3 levels of login access, operational, configure, and control, ensure security of your process. On the net interface screen, change network properties such as IP address, network mask, gateway address, and host name. Enable alarms and diagnostics that are important for your process while monitoring the device status panel as you switch between screens. Set limits to ensure operators are notified of potential issues in real time before becoming a critical error. Through the dashboard, unlock the full potential of the mass flow controller by performing basic troubleshooting with set point, valve position, temperature, and flow totalizer parameters. Enable the full power of alarms and diagnostics to improve your process control by choosing Brooks Instrument